Here we have the ingredients required for it. Tomatoes. Use red ripe tomatoes for better taste and better flavor. Onion, butter, salt, sugar. Here I have some flour. You may also use corn flour. I am using all-purpose flour, or also known as maida. Peppercorns, cinnamon, cream and ketchup. So let's start. Here I have a kadhai in which I am going to add the tomatoes and about half an onion and some cinnamon, peppercorns. Cook until mushy and soft. If you want to add some bay leaves, you may add. Let me throw in some small bay leaves. These are 2 of them, totally optional. And we are going to roast this for about 10 minutes or so in medium flame. You can see this mixture. This is pulpy and looking nice. It's ready. It has been about 10 minutes in medium flame, and now we are going to make puree out of it. If you want to add any flavorings, basil or celery or any other thing in this, you have to add in the first itself. I'm going to prepare with these flavorings: cinnamon, bay leaf and peppercorns. So I'm going to make a puree out of it. So after making a puree out of it, strain it, and I already discarded the bay leaf and cinnamon before grinding it, and I also added about 1 cup of water to it. Now strain. Now let's make this soup. Here I have a pan in which I'm going to add the butter, half a tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Now cook this maida. Now this has gone little light golden. I'm going to add the tomato mixture to it now. Now in medium high flame, we are going to wait until it boils. If you wish to add corn flour instead of maida, you need to add that at the last by mixing it with some water. Directly add the tomato mixture after the butter. Don't cook the corn flour if you are using corn flour, but I prefer the all-purpose flour. Now this is bubbling. I'm going to add the ketchup to it. Mix this. Salt. Adjust as per your taste. Sugar depends upon the sourness and the tanginess of the tomato and your preference too. Mix this nicely. This has been about 3 to 4 minutes since this is cooking up in medium flame, and you can see this is thick and nice. I have added my cream into a squeezy bottle so that we can decorate nicely. Mix this cream. Don't simmer it after adding the cream much, because that will curdle. Only for about a minute, and this is ready. Now let's serve it. Here our soup is ready, and if you want to garnish it, you can garnish it with some basil or cream spurls or whatever you like. And here I have some croutons. These are toasted breads. First I chopped the bread into squares and then I have toasted it. So that's healthy too, not the fried ones. So thank you for watching.